And race on Blitzkrieg from the outside. Moving up is Mutiara. It's now Mutiara. Running down on the inside is Andorra. Banay on the further outside is Charlie's World. Blitzkrieg, Renzi stays. And Devil in Disguise, Prince Carlo is the early trailer. Mutiara, Banay, Charlie's World, Andorra is running by the row. Passing the half-mile post, Mutiara, Andorra is running by the row. Banay, Charlie's World, Blitzkrieg, racing Pip alongside is Renzi stays. Rounding the far turn, Andorra by 3/4 of a length. Mutiara in second. Banay is racing third from the outside. Charlie's World, Blitzkrieg, and racing from the outside. Renzi stays. Devil in Disguise, Prince Carlo, as they race the final corner. Andorra, this time by some 3 lengths, followed by Mutiara. Banay from the outside. Blitzkrieg, Danori inside, and nearing the finish line. Andorra still leading by some 3 lengths. Mutiara, and finally number 1, Andorra, Mutiara, Banay, Blitzkrieg, and Renzi stays for your Fantafecta. Then comes Prince Carlo, Charlie's World,